In every organization, the HR department plays a pivotal role in employee well-being and safety. One essential aspect of this role is first aid preparedness. Let's explore the critical roles of HR managers play in ensuring first aid readiness in the workplace. So first and foremost, HR managers are champions of education and training. They work to ensure that employees are well trained in first aid techniques and they're aware of the resources available. Here are some of the key responsibilities of HR managers in first aid preparedness. So coordinate first aid training programs, maintaining first aid kits and supplies, ensuring designated first aiders are properly trained, promoting a culture of safety and first aid awareness, tracking and reporting first aid incidents. So they're also instrumental in creating and implementing a first aid policy. This policy serves as a roadmap for safety and preparedness. In the world of first aid, HR managers are the heart of the organization. Their dedication to safety and well-being ensures a healthier and safer workplace.